Today we talk about how can you change streaming language on your Amazon Prime Video app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, then you click here on languages, click on it here. When you just click here on languages, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on streaming languages, click on it here. So then here can you add auto language, or here click on custom. Then here can you select your streaming languages in this list on your Amazon Prime Video app. When you're down, just click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.